American dream is the belief that the freedoms of this country bring us together and give us all individually the opportunity to achieve our biggest goals and aspirations. Hi, my name is Craig Sewing, the creator and founder of The American Dream, a national TV show centered around real estate, lifestyle, and culture that's been nominated for an Emmy. We bring you a show of real stories in real neighborhoods with real experts. Today, I'm excited to announce our elite expert and new host in your market. She is a master of her craft and has built her life around turning that dream that so many of us share into a reality. Follow along as she takes you on a tour of the real estate, the lifestyle, the culture of an area that she knows best and why her city is the perfect place for you to build your American dream.